My name is Ana Yasmin Castellanos Torres. I am a chef in a very important restaurant. I am very happy. This is a beautiful place, Calle La Fragata. It's a seafood restaurant. I had to work all day. I had a lot of work to do because the place had 30 days worth. In the morning, I must choose the menu, menu and prepare the ingredients. I love to prepare salads and rice with cooked and grilled varieties of fishes. My colleagues are nice, very responsible, and creative. Always we are creating new recipes. The best of my job is the dessert, time because the clients are happy. I rest and day in the week and I never could that day I go to another restaurant for new ideas. It's a nice job. Thank you.